this is Steve at Helpin. It's 4 a.m. right now here at Civil Center, and I am doing CS498. I desperately need a friend to study with. That's why we created Helpin, to find you, your friends, to study together so that you get better solutions.
So here we're greeted on a login screen. This map, Google Map, is based on user's location. It pins out the nearest place the user can study, which is currently Civil Center because I'm at Civil Center right now. You're greeted on a login screen here. We'll go ahead and register a new user. So we have successfully registered a new user. And we are logged in. This is the screen. It actually shows you the username here, test12345. These are the subjects that test12345 can study currently. And if the user selects one of these, then it updates user status of what user is studying right now. And other friends who's nearby can actually see what he or she is studying so that they can study together on the same subjects. As you can see, user can actually add whatever they want to study by clicking the name. So as it actually tells back that user has added CS210, which is ethical professional issue. The one thing to note about the UI is that this UI is responsive. So on the desktop level, you will have a map, but if you are actually looking at a mobile level, the map disappears and it just shows a list of subjects. Our subject of CS210, we want to find friends that's nearby that's studying CS210. Now these are the friends who are studying CS210. Hyunmin Wang, that's me, Dongmin Shin, Jun Hyung, and Praful are studying CS210. And these people are actually nearby you, so you can actually know that these people are studying the same thing nearby you. The cool part is the review part. The review not only has the review of the places that you're studying, but all these individual has a chat system part and the rating part of our program. The chat is actually all anonymous. So even though you logged in as admin and your ID, you're now showed up as user 11. This is our idea behind that. If you stay anonymous during discussion of exam topics or study materials, you get to be more active and more involved. So we thought that since anonymous chatting would be more efficient for discussing study material, we have used Socket.io to actually save no chat databases to our database. So these chat texts are not saved anywhere. We have final demonstration, which is the review. See here, the overall status 5 is actually the rating from the users who rated how well it is to study here or how decent it is to study here. Right now it's at the range of 5, so let's go ahead and make it higher. Every time you submit it, it goes up. So basically this tells other users on what's the status of studying at Civil Center. To give evaluation, we realized that some of the parts that we had previously was not seamless connected. For example, we didn't had a connection between subject, friends, and reviews. Now, after we did a heuristic evaluation, we have changed our UI so that these menu buttons are somewhat connected. For example, these actually the menus are steps that you take when you come into the app after you log in. So once you select subjects, you look for friends who are studying something similar to you. And then after you have known who's studying these stuff, you go to the review session where you can chat with people. And so this is the improvement we did over heuristic evaluation. And the other thing was that we added a map on the left side of our app when you're at the desktop level, so that when you want to go to different places to study, you can actually look up on the map and find new places to study.